Overnight temperatures for Kalispell. High today 72. Low tonight 40.
This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Hello, KGGL. First weekly test for the month for you guys. Tested at, I think, 1046. So, yeah. Oh, 10:45. My bad.
I had to wait for an activation because KGGL did a weekly test at around 5:20. Should be right about now.
Test alert. Test alert.
Oh, fucking shit.
Partly cloudy. Highs in the 90s. Lows in the upper 50s to mid 60s. Tuesday, mostly sunny. Highs in the lower to mid 90s. Specific temperatures for Missoula. High today 104. Low tonight 63. And high on Thursday 99. And in Hamilton, high today 99. 60s. Monday through Tuesday. This is the National Weather Service office in Missoula. The preceding signal was a test. This is the National Weather Service office 25's public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat from this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Missoula, Lake and Root Valley. This has been a test of the NOAA Weather Radio warning device. We now return to normal programming. This has been a test of the NOAA Weather Radio warning device. We now return to normal programming. Specific temperatures for Missoula, high to... Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for Kalispell and vicinity heat advisory in effect until 11 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time this evening.
Test alert. Test alert. Sunny skies. Temperature 69 degrees. Relative humidity 27%. This is the National Weather Service in Missoula, Montana. Broadcasting on NOAA Weather Radio West XL 25. Serving western Montana, including the cities of Missoula and Hamilton. Friday, signal was a test of the weather radio station West XL 25's public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm, will vary at any given location. Variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Missoula, Lake and Valley. This has been a test of the weather radio warning device. We now return to normal programming. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for Missoula and Bitterroot Valley's heat advisory in effect until midnight Mountain Daylight Time tonight. Today, mostly sunny in the morning, mostly cloudy with a slight chance of rain showers in the afternoon. This has been a test of the NOAA Weather Radio warning device. We now return to normal programming. Forecast for Glacier National Park, west of the Divide. 8 to 1.
And that's that.
Yeah, nice of you guys to do a monthly for once. God damn.
Yeah. Thanks a lot.